Hey there everyone, welcome back to another one of my YouTube tutorials. In today's video, I'll be teaching you something that you have been waiting for a long time. The only working Pokemon Go hack 2024 for both iOS and Android devices is available right here, right now. And I'm going to be leading you through all of the steps you need to take to get to it. So guys, in today's video, you'll be learning how to get to the Pokemon Go Spoofer, Pokemon Go joystick, feed radar, nearby radar, anti-ban, Pokemon Go teleport that will allow you to teleport to any location in the world by only a few clicks of buttons. So guys, if you're ready, let's go and let's start with the tutorial. First things first, let me show you how the actual Go Spoofy looks once you get it. Guys, you can see tons of new and amazing features available on there, and what you need to do is just enable or disable any of them that you want to get. And also guys, you can see the location option, which is, in my opinion, the most fun option on there. It is the teleport option that will allow us to teleport to any given location in the world. And guys, we don't have to move from our couch. So guys, once we're done with all of that, tap on import and go back to your Pokemon Go app. Once you're there guys, look at all of these amazing features that are available for us. And I have actually added the location of the Tokyo Tower. So I have just teleported on there and I can get all of those Pokemons you can see around me. So guys, I'm ready to start with the tutorial and show you everything that it got me to get to this amazing, wonderful Pokemon Go app. So guys, let's go ahead and let's start. So the first thing that I want you to do is, of course, first update your Pokemon Go app to its latest version. And you can do that by going to your App Store or to your Google Play Store and checking if the app needs any updates. If it does, make sure you update your app to its latest version. And if it doesn't, you're good to go and you can start with the whole process. However, guys, let's go ahead and go to the preparation process. For Android users, to prepare your phones, you're only required to just switch off your battery saver mode and make sure you have it switched off until the rest of the process is done. However, if you're an iOS user, what I would like you to do is go to your settings app, then go to general, background app refresh, then again background app refresh, and switch it on for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. However, if your phone is disabled right here, what you need to do is go back to your battery settings and switch off that low power mode option. Make sure you have your low power mode switched off until the rest of the process is completely over. Then guys, we can go ahead and go back to the background app refresh one and set it as we said before, so we can continue with the steps. The next step will be going to our browsers, and you're allowed to use any browser you want to. I'm using my Safari browser as you guys saw, and going to this website right here. Once you've typed in this address and gotten to this website, you can of course read through the description of the app or just tap on the downloading button. And guys, what you need to do next is tap on install, then start injection. And the injection will start as soon as we actually choose the version of phone that we are using. I'm choosing an iOS one because I'm using an iOS device. And guys, we can see the app being injected into our phones. However, we are going to be left with one more step to complete. And we can do that by tapping on this little button right here, which will redirect us to this website right here. And on this website, we need to download either 2 apps, which are all from official publishers and free to download, or complete 2 surveys. And guys, surveys are super easy to complete. Let me explain it to you. You just click on any survey you've chosen and then answer a few questions. Once you've answered all of those questions, you can come back to this website and then you can choose the next one, do the same, and that's it. Then you will see the app being injected into your phone. However, if you choose the option of getting 2 apps, what you can do is tap on any of the apps. For example, Spades, it says follow the details instruction on the next page, or for example, Family Island, download and complete level 7. These are all beginner levels, which are super easy to complete and don't take more than 2 minutes of our time. So guys, you can see right here the actual app store. You can get the app, and then once you do, complete level 7 and then get back to the website and find the next one. For example, Evertail, it says we need to install it, then run it for 30 seconds, tap on it, tap to install, and then do the same exact thing and complete the steps listed below it. That is basically it for today's tutorial, guys. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up down below and comment in the comment section, guys, how much you're enjoying Pokemon Go app now with the latest Pokemon Go Spoofer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.